Good morning, everyone, and welcome to What's Up with Richard. Looks like sort of a dreary day today. Temperatures are right now in the 40s, a high of 50. Southwest Michigan weather is looking a little ugly. And of course, I woke up this morning, looked out the window, and what did I see? Oh yeah, it is definitely breezy. This is one chore that I frankly just don't care to do, because I know as soon as I pick it up, it's gonna happen again. Oh well, let's get to it. Alright, we'll see what happens. With that chore done, I was going to go coffee neuring. Coffee neuring is taking a bicycle ride to a coffee shop, recording a picture of yourself there, and then writing a short description. But with the weather today, I don't think so. I think I need to find an alternative to coffee neuring. That'll have to wait for another day. Alright, after a little consideration, I think I have figured out where I want to go today, since the weather is just not very good and it's not getting any better. Okay, made it to the casino. I'm on the top level of the parking structure. I really wanted to drive by the front, but I wasn't able to do that. They have a major repaving job going on here. But in the distance there, that's the hotel. And we're looking at the roof of the casino and the restaurants. That's the front parking lot where I normally would park. But I'll try and get a picture in a few seconds. Okay, not too much luck at the casino, but I did play for an hour and a half with the limited funds that I took, so we're heading back into town. I think what I'll do is swing by the lake. It's got to be pretty riled up today with this wind. Okay, forgot I can't go that way. Finally fixing the railroad tracks here on into town. As I swing around here, this will be a great place to vlog one of these days. This is our railroad museum. Anyway, let's take the long way and we'll head to the lake. She's got to be, like I said, really riled up. At one time, this was paved. And of course, this is how we fix roads here in Michigan. We just turn them back into dirt. Wow. What do you think of that? Even more construction. It's been a real trip trying to get to the lake today. Oh no, 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 this is not good. I did not realize it was that bad. Oh no, 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 no. This road should have been blocked off. Wow. I'm not going back home that way. Wow, it is blowing so hard. It's rocking the car. I can't even keep the phone straight here. I'm not going to drive through that water again. I'm going to have to find the back roads home. Okay, finally made it back home. Had to take the long way around, but didn't have to drive through that water. If you appreciated today's content, would you please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you wish. And thanks for watching What's Up with Richard.